Hey, hi everyone. A very good evening to each one of you. I hope you guys are doing great. Still, let me know how you guys are doing, how your studies are going, how's everything at your place. Meanwhile, I'm going to give you an introduction which will make you aware of my name, qualifications, experiences, and all. So, here's introduction, and please don't forget to let me know in the chat box kaise ho aap log, okay? Here's the introduction. My name is Smriti Singh. I have done B.Ed in English and Civics. I have experience of more than 4 years in teaching. Where initially I taught at a school, then I switched to online teaching. Right now, I'm working at Unacademy, where I have started my channel, which is named as English Junior Pro. About the channel, I'll tell you later. Before that, let me give you all the Telegram link through which you can join me there on Telegram. Why I'm asking you that? Because they're on Telegram only. I'll send you the timings for upcoming sessions, quizzes, and whatever information I have to give you, I will put there on Telegram only. You will be receiving from there. So please don't forget to join me there on Telegram. Go to the description box where the link is available. You have to click on the link and then you will be joining me there on Telegram. Now, before I make you all aware, before I tell you the benefits of getting before after you get the benefits that you get after having an academy subscription, before that I would like to announce the topic that we'll be learning today. आज जो हम topic पढ़ने वाले हैं वो पहले हम लोग जान लेते हैं. So today we'll be revising. It will be a revision session of question words because question words we already have done. Question words हमने कर लिए हैं. तो अभी हम लोग रिविजन करेंगे because I have to check, I have to ensure that you understood whatever I taught you well or not. If not, I'll give you clarities on that. Okay, so here now you have to keep patience for a while because I'm going to tell you about the benefits जो आपको Unacademy देती है subscription लेने पे. Okay, so the first benefit that Unacademy is giving you here, that is unlimited access to the platform, means you can watch sessions as many sessions you want to. आपको जितने number of sessions देखने हैं इस platform पे आप देख सकते हो because you have taken the subscription, right? So number of sessions is not restricted. That is the first benefit. Then comes live polls and leaderboard. आपको live polls और leaderboard भी यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं. Live polls means whenever you are attending quizzes, there you have to answer through polls, right? And then you are shown the leaderboard which tells you about your position. Then comes live doubt solving session. So here whenever you attend a session, if you get any doubts, Unacademy has taken care of that as well. You don't need to go anywhere else for the doubts because Unacademy itself is giving you live doubt solving sessions. Then comes live interaction. So here the sessions that are going on, the educators, the ones who are teaching you here, they are very interactive and you also are supposed to be interactive with the educators as much you can. Then comes weekly test series. Here you're getting test series as well. आपको यहाँ पे test series भी मिल रहे हैं which will help you to understand जो आपको पढ़ाए गए हैं वो आपको कितना समझ में आया है. Okay, so you can see these many benefits you are getting at the same platform. तो हम क्यों ना लें Unacademy की subscription? Once you have decided, okay, I will have Unacademy subscription, but the question is, whatever subscription you'll be taking, for how many months you would like to have it. So that you can see here on the screen, you can see short term as well as long term subscriptions. दोनों तरह के available है. It totally depends on your need. Like you want to learn limited things or you have to learn everything in your course, then I suggest you please go for a long term subscription because their educator will be taking care of every bit of your course. जितनी भी सारी चीजें हैं सारी चीजें आपको पढ़ाई जाएंगी अगर आप long term वाले लेते हो तो. Now second question is, for how many months you'll be taking the subscription that you have decided. Now what kind of subscription you'll be taking that you have not decided yet. So you can have a look here. Two kinds of subscriptions. First one is plus subscription, second one is iconic subscription. What are the benefits you are getting under them? One by one I'll tell you. So first of all, let's deal with plus subscription. इसके अंदर आपको क्या क्या benefits मिलते हैं plus वाले subscription लेने पे. So here you will be taught by India's best educators, means well qualified teachers आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ा रहे होंगे. Okay, then comes interactive live classes. The classes that are going on, they are very interactive as I told you before. Then comes structured courses and PDF notes. You're not just taught here, but also you are getting PDF notes here. आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं जा रहे हैं, आपको PDF notes भी मिल रहे हैं. Then comes live test and quizzes. You are getting live test and quizzes as well based on the topics and subtopics जो आपको पढ़ाए गए हैं. Okay, now you can imagine कि live test और quizzes कितने होते होंगे. Now I'll make you aware of the benefits that you're getting under iconic subscription. लेने पे आपको क्या क्या benefits मिल रहे हैं. So from there till here you can see these are the same benefits that you are getting under plus subscription में आपको जो benefits मिल रहे हैं वही आपको आइकॉनिक में भी मिल रहे हैं. उसके अलावा आपको क्या मिल रहा है? उसके अलावा you are getting a personal coach, study planner, experts guidelines, test analysis. Now you have to decide, because here I made you all aware of the benefits that you're getting under these two kinds of subscription. You have to decide which one you want. Okay, now here once you have decided, okay, I will have this kind of subscription for these many months, आपने ये दोनों चीजें decide कर ली. Now what are the steps you need to take to have the subscription? For that, first of all, you need to check whether you have Unacademy learning app in your phone or not. If you don't have, please go to the Play Store where you have to type this Unacademy learning app, and from where you have to install this Unacademy learning app. Once the app is installed in your phone, then what you have to do, then you have to go inside the app to manage goals, from where you have to pick your category. Suppose your category is CBSE class 6, you will pick CBSE class 6 from there. Then you have to pick what kind of subscription you want. Suppose you want plus subscription, you will pick plus from there, and then you have to click over here get subscription pay. After taking these steps, what you have to do, finally it will ask you whatever subscription you are taking, for how many months you are taking it, आप कितने months के लिए वो ले रहे हैं. So that you will be picking from here. Suppose you want it for 36 months, आपको चाहिए वो 36 months के लिए, तो आप 36 months you will pick from here. Then while doing the payment जब आप करते हो तभी, if you apply this code which is my code, which is Smriti10, you get 10% discount on that. आपको कितने परसेंट के डिस्काउंट मिल जाते हैं? पूरे के पूरे 10% के डिस्काउंट आपको मिल जाते हैं. It's guaranteed. Now it's about my channel. So here on YouTube, I have started my channel, which is named as English Junior Pro, which is for the category 6 to 8, where I'm teaching English, grammar, literature, vocabulary, and lots of quizzes also I'm going to conduct. So what I expect from you, please make people around you aware of this channel. Bring them to the channel, make them subscribe to the channel, make them attend my sessions. अगर उन्हें मेरे sessions पसंद आते हैं तो they will hit the like button and share with everyone. Now, I hope you guys are ready to continue with the topic, means to start with the topic. So as I already announced, the topic is going to be question words. Question words we already have done. Question words हमने कर लिए हैं. Now today we'll be doing the revision. आज जो है हम इसका revision करने वाले हैं, और revision करते time, as you know, I'm gonna ask you questions based on what I taught you. अब मैं आपसे ऐसे questions पूछूंगी यहाँ पे जो मैं आपको पढ़ा चुकी हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे ये देखना है कि आपको वो समझ में आए हैं या नहीं समझ में आए हैं. नहीं समझ में आए हैं तो नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, आई एम देयर फॉर यू, राइट? सो हियर आई होप यू गाइज आर रेडी फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस वन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्वेश्चन वर्ड? क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स होते क्या है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इट? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट WH questions? How many of you have heard about WH questions? WH questions होते हैं, right? Now, what are WH questions? If you are aware of the definition of WH questions, it means it will be easier for you to answer this question कि question words होते क्या है, because WH questions में we use question words, right? हम WH questions किस चीज से फॉर्म करते हैं? We take help of question words there. Okay, questions with WH words, they are called WH questions. So question words are what? What do you understand by question words? From the term itself, we can say, term के basis पे, we can say that questions means words, the words that we use to form questions, ऐसे words जो हम questions form करने के लिए use करते हैं, that set of words is called question words. उसे हम बोलेंगे question words, right? So it's very easy for you from the term itself. तो question words आपके कौन से हो गए? जो ऐसे words जो आप questions में use करते हो, right? तो give me a few examples of such words. ऐसे words जो आप questions में use कर सकते हो, especially WH questions में. WH questions में हम ये question words use करते हैं. So question words means, question words is equal to question words means WH words. WH words को हम question words बोलते हैं. मीन्स द वर्ड्स दैट हैव WH लेटर्स, ऐसे वर्ड्स जिसमें WH लेटर्स हो और वैसे वर्ड्स हम जो क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए यूज करते हैं. So if you have a look here on the question itself, आप question देखो. This is a question, right? I asked you a question here. What do you mean by question words? मैंने आपसे एक question पूछा है यहाँ पे. And here, if you noticed, I have used a question word. वहाँ पे मैंने एक question word use किया है. So in the question itself, you are able to find question word. Okay. So find a WH word there in the given question and tell me which word from there is a WH question. अब वहां पे से आपको कौन सा word ऐसा दिख रहा है? What do you mean by question words में से there is a word which is a WH word. WH word, as I told you, is a word where you find WH letters and that we use to ask questions. Okay, so obviously it's so obvious that this word is what we call WH word. इसे हम WH word बोलेंगे. Why? इसे हम WH word क्यों बोलेंगे? Because it has WH letters. क्योंकि इसमें WH letters हैं. Okay, that is why this is a WH words. Okay, and also this word we use to ask questions. और ये जो होते हैं ऐसे words जिसमें WH होते हैं वो हम कहाँ पे use करते हैं? Questions पूछने के लिए use करते हैं. For example, what? For example, when? For example, how? For example, who? So I've given you so many examples here. I don't have much space to write over there. So if you get any other words, please let me know here in the chat box. मैंने बहुत सारे words यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, WH words. But you have to give me examples here in the chat box if they are words that I have not written here on the screen. अगर आपको कोई और words जो आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, question words, so please put them here in the chat box. ऐसे question words जो मैंने I have given you so many examples like that. You also have to give me examples here in the chat box. Okay, आपको भी मुझे यहाँ पे examples देने हैं chat box में. Now the next question for you. This is the next question for you, which is which question word is used to ask about reason? Okay, so behind using every question word there is a purpose. Okay, अगर हम इतने सारे question words हैं but सारे question word को use करने के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ purpose होता है, right? There is a question word that we use for people, to ask about people. There is a question word that we use to ask about place. There is a question word that we use to ask about a thing, animal, right? So likewise, which question word, कौन सा question word हम use करते हैं किसी चीज का reason बताने के लिए. Now here I would like to give you a scenario. Okay, suppose you are there, you reach school, okay, late. आप स्कूल पहुंचते हो, लेट पहुंचते हो, and your class teacher ask you why are you late today. Okay, यहाँ पे जो है आपके टीचर ने पूछा, आपकी टीचर क्या पूछ रही है? Why are you late, right? आपकी टीचर पूछेंगे कि why are you late, कि तुम लेट क्यों हो? Question mark. Now, which question word I used here? Which question word is used by your class teacher? That is why, right? So this question word we use when we have to ask about the reason of something. Reason of something. Now give me more examples like that. I have given you one example here with that question word. आप ऐसे मुझे बहुत सारे examples दो यहाँ पे chat box में. One more example. Suppose you are sad, okay? Suppose आप sad हो. Now here I have to know the reason behind your sadness. Why are you sad? आप sad क्यों हो? I have to know the reason, right? So what question word I'm going to use there? I'll be using why there. Why are you sad? So if I use this question word, it means it's very clear to you that I'm asking you the reason. इसका मतलब है कि मैं आपसे reason पूछ रही हूँ कि आप sad क्यों हो. फर्स्ट वाले में आपकी मैम ने रीजन पूछा कि आप लेट क्यों हो. सेकंड वाले में मैंने आपसे पूछा कि आप सैड क्यों हो. इसका मतलब वी आर आस्किंग फॉर रीजंस, राइट? हम लोग जो है रीजन के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं कि ये सारी चीजें होने के पीछे रीजन क्या है. So whenever you have to ask about reasons, किसी चीज के reason के बारे में आपको कुछ question पूछने हैं, there you will be using why question word. वहां पे आप why question word use करोगे. Okay. Suppose a person is standing, you see a person standing there. Okay, आप देख रहे हो किसी को अपने सामने खड़े हुए, and you don't know the reason. Suddenly someone came inside my room. Okay, suddenly someone came inside my room. I don't know the reason behind it. Then what question I'm gonna ask the person? मैं उससे क्या पूछूंगी? I will ask that person, why are you here? Right? तो वहां पे मैं क्या पूछूंगी? Why are you here? Means I asked the person about the reason कि वो यहाँ क्यों है. So mainly जब आपको क्यों वाले क्वेश्चन पूछने होते हैं, there you use this question word which is WHY. वहां पे आप WHY question word use करते हो जब आपको किसी चीज के reason के बारे में जानना है. For example, your mother is cooking food. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे खाना बना रही है, right? Then you go and ask her that mama, why are you cooking ये सारे food? Why are you cooking? Right? तो वहां पे your mama will tell you the reason कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. I hope the place is clear to you. What's the right place where you are supposed to use why? And also, you must have gotten the answer to this question. When you have to ask about reason of something, तो आप कौन सा question word use करें? That is why. Okay, क्यों? क्यों जब आप पूछते हो तो इसका मतलब है कि you're asking about the reason. Okay, now the next question that we have here, अभी हमारा next question है ये वाला. Which question word is used to ask about distance? अब आपको किसी चीज के डिस्टेंस के बारे में पूछना है, जगह के डिस्टेंस के बारे में. ऑब्वियसली हम लोग डिस्टेंस किसी जगह का डिस्टेंस के बारे में पूछते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टू गो टू दिल्ली. ओके, मुझे यहाँ से जाना है दिल्ली. सपोज आई एम इन बैंगलोर और मुझे बैंगलोर से दिल्ली जाना है, बट आई डोंट नो द डिस्टेंस. मुझे पता नहीं कि डिस्टेंस क्या है, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट्स द डिस्टेंस. यहाँ से दूरी, डिस्टेंस मीन्स दूरी कितनी है, आई डोंट नो. सो इफ आई हैव टू आस्क समवन अबाउट द डिस्टेंस, अगर मुझे किसी से, मुझे आई विल गो टू समवन, राइट? मैं किसी के पास जाऊंगी या फिर किसी को मैसेज करूंगी टू आस्क अबाउट द डिस्टेंस कि यहाँ से दिल्ली जो है कितना दूर है. सो हाउ you're gonna form the question? What has to be the question word? आप question कैसे form करेंगे? वहां पे question word आप क्या use करोगे, right? If you are not aware of, you will not be able to ask the question, right? तो यहाँ पे distance पूछने के लिए, if you remember, I had told you, if you have to ask about distance, you are supposed to use how, right? But not alone. ओके, इसके आप हाउ यहाँ पे अलोन नहीं यूज करोगे. हाउ के साथ यू हैव टू यूज फार. ओके, हाउ फार मीन्स कितनी दूरी. ओके, हाउ फार इज, देन कम्स द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. हाउ फार इज दिल्ली फ्रॉम हियर. सो whenever you have to ask about distance of some place, किसी जगह के distance के बारे में पूछना है कि वो यहाँ से कितना दूर है. Suppose you have to go to a particular shop, जाना है आपको किसी shop या किसी mall जाना है, but you don't know the distance, यहाँ से कितनी दूर है. Okay, but you have somebody जिससे आप जाके पूछ सकते हो कि यहाँ से mall कितनी दूर है. Suppose you're gonna ask this from an auto driver. आप auto driver से पूछोगे भैया ये कितनी दूर है. तो English में if you will ask, you will be using these two words together. How far? How far is Delhi from here? How far is mall from here? If there is any specific mall, आप नाम डालोगे वहां पे, right? So how far is this mall from here? जो भी mall है, जो भी नाम है mall का, right? So there, in terms of like where you have to ask about distance, अगर किसी जगह की दूरी के बारे में पूछना है तो आप how और how के साथ आपको far use करना ही करना है. So we use these two words together when we have to ask about distance. Likewise, अगर मुझे जाना है, मान लो कि मॉल का एग्जाम्पल दिया मैंने, तो it will be the same way. How far is the mall? How far is the mall from here? यहाँ से मॉल कितनी दूर है, right? Question mark. So what I'm trying to tell you that whenever you have to ask about distance, we have to use these two words together. जब distance की बात पूछने की आती है, question करना हो आपको distance को लेके, दूरी को लेकर के, then you are supposed to use these two words together. How? Far. दोनों को आप साथ में use करेंगे. Okay, that is the correct way. It's not like you're gonna ask this, how is the mall from here? How is the mall from here? No, that is not the correct way, right? तो distance के sense में आप हमेशा ही how और far को साथ में यूज करते हैं. हाउ फार. ओके, दीज टू वर्ड्स आर यूज टुगेदर. इन दोनों को हम साथ में यूज करते हैं जब हमें डिस्टेंस के बारे में पूछना हो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट डू वी हैव नेक्स्ट हियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका ये, व्हाट्स द पर्पस बिहाइंड यूजिंग वेयर? हम ये वेयर कहाँ यूज करते हैं? What's the right place where we are supposed to use this question word? Where is a question word? Why? Because it has WH word. Because question words को हम WH word भी बोलते हैं, right? Question words को हम क्या बोलते हैं? WH words भी बोलते हैं. This you should always remember. If you remember question words are called WH words, it will be easier for you to answer the question कि WH words होते क्या हैं. WH words, question words क्या होते हैं? Question words are WH words that we use to ask questions, right? So it has WH letters. Where में WH letters है, so this is a WH word, also a question word, right? Because this word we use to ask question. Okay, so here what's the purpose behind using where? As I told you, whatever question word we are using, जो भी question word हम use करते हैं, behind that we have a reason. Behind using any particular question word, we have a reason. Okay, सारे question word use करने के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ reason होते हैं, and that we already have discussed, right? So here tell me, when you use this question word which is where, there you're asking about what? Basically you're asking about what? Suppose if I have to ask a question, मुझे आपसे पूछना है हिंदी में कि आप कहाँ हो. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आप कहाँ हो, it means I'm asking you about the place, right? मैं आपसे आपके जगह के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ कि आप कहाँ हो अभी. Okay? तो वहां पे whenever we ask about place, where हम हमेशा ही place के बारे में पूछने के लिए यूज करते हैं. प्लेस, whenever you have to ask a question about place, कि वो आदमी अभी कहाँ है, या ओके या फिर वो आदमी कहाँ जा रहा है. Okay, so that way. So here give me one example here in the chat box कि आप जहाँ पे you have to use this question word where, आपको ये where use करना है question में, and you have to put it here in the chat box so that I will be ensured, okay, you are able to use this question word at the right place. So here I'm going to give you one example. Where are you now? Where are you now? What is the purpose behind asking this question? इसके पीछे ये question पूछने के पीछे purpose क्या है? Because जो भी question हम पूछते हैं उसके पूछने के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ purpose होते हैं, right? So इसका purpose ये है, when I asked you this question, the purpose was to ask about the place कि आप कौन से जगह पे हो, right? So I'm asking you about the place. So where we used to ask about place. So where are you now? Now you're gonna answer the question by telling me about the place. आप बोलोगे I am in Delhi, or I am in Bangalore, I am in Mumbai, right? So here आपके आंसर जो होंगे वो place के बारे में होंगे. तो जब आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है प्लेस से रिलेटेड, आप वहां पे where यूज करते हैं. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, if someone is going somewhere, अगर कोई जा रहा है, for example if my mother, मेरी मम्मी कहीं जा रही है and I don't know where she is going, मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ जा रही है. I have to know, I am very curious to know where she is going. So what I will do, I will ask a question from her. So as I told you, because here I have to know about the place where she is going, place के बारे में मुझे पूछना है कि वो जा कहाँ रही है, तो वहां पे what question word am I going to use? I will be using where in that case, because I have to ask about the place where she is going. So it will be like this. Now how I'm going to form the question? Please let me know here in the chat box कि आप आपकी मम्मी कहीं जाती है और आपको पता नहीं होता है कि कहाँ जा रही है, तो आप इंग्लिश में कैसे पूछोगे? सो डेफिनेटली एज आई टोल्ड यू, वेयर यूज करेंगे, वेयर तो यूज करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव टू आस्क अबाउट प्लेस, जगह के बारे में हमें जानना है, तो वी विल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो या जा रही हो, राइट? क्वेश्चन मार्क, इट मीन्स आई एम आस्किंग द पर्सन वेयर आर यू गोइंग राइट नाउ, ओके? नाउ सपोज योर मदर वेंट समवेयर, आपकी मम्मी कहीं गई थी पास्ट में, ओके? और जो है आपको पता नहीं कि वेयर डिड योर मदर गो, तो हाउ यू गोना आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन? यू विल आस्क वेयर डिड you go, means here you are asking your mother about the place where she went in past, right? यहाँ पे आपके पूछने का मतलब है कि जहां तुम गई थी, I'm not aware of, right? So please let me know where did you go that day, okay? So what I'm trying to tell you here, that where is the question word that we have to use whenever we have to ask about place. So the purpose is to ask about the place. Purpose क्या है हमारा where use करने के पीछे? That whenever we have to ask about the place, जब भी हमें place से related कुछ question पूछना हो, तो हम वहां पे where use करते हैं, okay? So I hope this one is also clear to you. So where we use for place. Now the next question for you is this one. What's the purpose behind using what time? Okay, what time means? These two words together? Yes, these two words together. As I gave you one example where we are supposed to use how, far. How के साथ आप far use करते हो जहाँ पे you have to ask about distance. Distance के बारे में पूछना होता है, तो वहाँ पे आपको you don't use only how. You have to use both the words together. दोनों जो हैं साथ में चलते हैं जब आपको distance के बारे में पूछना होता है. So likewise, whenever you use these two words together, what time जब आप question में पूछते हो, what is the purpose behind it? Okay, so for example, you have an exam tomorrow. आपका कल एग्जाम है, ठीक है? You don't have any watch in your hand. आपके हाथ में कोई watch नहीं है. There is no clock hanging on the wall. But you have to know about the time. आपको time के बारे में जानना है. Maybe from someone else. Okay, so there are so many people around. Then what you will do? आप क्या करेंगे वहां पे? Because आपके हाथ में कोई वॉच नहीं है, वॉल पे कोई क्लॉक नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू नो अबाउट द टाइम, बिकॉज हो सकता है कि आप एग्जाम के लिए लेट हो जाओ इफ यू डोंट कीप ट्रैक ऑफ द टाइम. So you have to somewhere, you have to keep track of the time, right? So what you will do in that case, you will go to someone, आप किसी के पास जाएंगे, आप उनसे क्या पूछोगे? How you're gonna ask the question? आप कैसे question पूछोगे उनसे? आपको अगर टाइम के बारे में पूछना है, एग्जैक्ट टाइम, राइट? आप वहां पे क्या जानना है? आपको जानना है एग्जैक्ट टाइम, right? So what you will do, how you will form the question? आप question कैसे form करोगे? In that case, these two words will go together. ये दोनों words साथ में you are gonna use. You cannot use only what in that case. You have to use these two words together. So what has to be the formation of the question? Question का formation क्या होगा? It will be like this. What time, then the auxiliary verb will come. What time is, then the subject will come. What time is it now? What time is it now? Means you're asking the person exact time. आप उस आदमी से क्या पूछ रहे हो? Exact time बताने के लिए. Okay, because you are somewhere, आपको ये डर है कि आप एग्जाम के लिए लेट ना हो जाओ. So here what is your intention? Your intention is to ask the person to tell you the exact time, right? So what time are the words that will go together when you have to ask the exact time? जहां पे आपको exact time जानना होता है, there you use these two words together. Okay, so here what time, the purpose behind using what time together is to ask about exact time exact time or exact hour. Okay, so this is the purpose behind using these two words together. Okay, now for example, another example I'm giving you. Yesterday, uh, uh, someone went to watch movie. Okay, आपके आपके one of your friends only. Okay, आपके किसी एक कोई एक friend है जो movie देखने गए कल. So here you have to know the exact time of that show. उस show का आपको exact time जानना है. So how are you going to form the question there? As I told you, these two words will go together. What time तो आपका आएगा ही आएगा साथ में. So how you going to ask the question? It will be what what time what time did the show did the movie, you can use movie also, movie start? Yesterday. Yesterday. Now another example. Suppose tomorrow we have to go, like you and your family are leaving for a place. आप लोग कहीं vacation पे जा रहे हो. But you are not aware of the time when you have to leave. Right? आपको पता नहीं है कि आप exact कितने बजे आप लोग निकलेंगे उस जगह के लिए. So now you will go to the father. आप अपने father के पास जाएंगे and you will ask him this question to know about the exact time. What are you gonna ask your father? You will ask, what time are we leaving? Are we leaving? What time are we leaving? Question mark. Okay. So what we learned here, whenever we have to know about the exact time or exact hour, there we have to use these two words together. आपको what और time को साथ में use करना है जब आपको किसी से exact time के बारे में जानना है. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. Now we have more questions today. अभी हमारे पास और भी questions हैं जो I have to ask you. I hope you are ready for that. Next question for you is this one. Which question word is used to ask about the way in which something is done? Okay. In which something is done means when an action is done, koi action, if an action is going on. For example, what I'm doing right now, I am teaching you, right? I'm teaching you. Let me write over here. I am teaching. I am teaching. So what action I am doing here? कौन सा action में कर रही हूँ? Teach कर रही हूँ, right? How? How am I teaching? You have to know about the way. I have to know about the way कि कौन से way में मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, कैसा पढ़ा रही हूँ. How am I doing it? How am I teaching? So here ये question ये जानने के लिए ये query अगर मुझे आपसे पूछना होगा कि मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, ठीक है, I am teaching you. But मुझे जानना है whether the way in what I am teaching you, whether you are liking it or not. So मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, what question word I am gonna use here? I'll be using how. Okay, how am I teaching you? Right? Because here I have to know about my way. क्योंकि मुझे अपने वे अपने इस चीज करने के वे के बारे में जानना है कि कैसा मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. How am I doing that? Right? So here what question word I used? I used how. So whenever you have to know about the way, जो जिस way में कोई कुछ कर रहा है. So if you want the answer, if you have to know about the way कि कैसे way में वो चीज हो रहे हैं, then you will be using how question word. Okay. Now here, one more example. Suppose your mother cooks food. Okay, आपकी मम्मी खाना बनाती है. She is very good at that. Okay, but I am not aware how she does that. मुझे नहीं पता कि आपकी मम्मी कैसे खाना बनाती है. What is the way? In what way she does that? Okay, so your mother is cooking food. I don't know how she is doing that, right? I have to know about the way. मुझे उस वो जो आपकी मम्मी कर रही है उसके way के बारे में जानना है, तरीके के बारे में जानना है, how she does that. Okay, so again I'll be using the same question word. It will be how. How does how does your mother how does your mother How does your mother cook food? Full stop. Sorry, not full stop, question mark. Yes, question mark. Because here I have to know about the way in what it is done. Right? आपकी मम्मी खाना बनाती है तो मुझे नहीं पता वो कैसा बनाती है. So I have to ask you the way. मुझे आपसे पूछना है वो way. उस way के बारे में. In what your mother does it. Right? So here I'll be using this question word. ये मुझे मैं question word use करूंगी. Now one more example. You tell me. Okay? आप मुझे बताते हो कि मैम आई प्ले क्रिकेट, मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. ओके. अब मुझे मुझे पता नहीं कि आप वो कैसे खेलते हो, कैसा कैसे आपको आप अच्छे से खेलते हो या कैसे खेलते हो, आई डोंट नो. सो हियर आई एम गोना आस्क यू कि हाउ डू यू प्ले इट. आप मुझे जानना है कि आप कैसे खेलते हो, तो उसके लिए मैं पूछूंगी आपसे. आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस क्वेश्चन वर्ड हाउ डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट, राइट? हाउ डू यू प्ले cricket. Cricket, full stop. Oh, sorry, question mark. This is a question now. Every time I'm like full stop, question mark. So this is a question. Why? Because I asked you this question because I have to know about the way in what you do this. Right? आप cricket आप कुछ कर रहे हो, अब वो कैसा आप करते हो, कैसे करते हो, I don't know. So here if I have to ask you a question about the way, जिस way में आप करते हो, there I'll be using this question word which is how. ओके वहां पे मैं आपसे हाउ क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज करके आई विल आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट डू वी हैव नेक्स्ट हियर? ओके, हाउ डू वी फॉर्म अ क्वेश्चन टू आस्क अबाउट एज? Okay, for example, if you have to know about the age of your friend, आपको अपने friend का age जानना है. You don't know the age of your friend, and that is your best friend. वो आपकी best friend है, and you suddenly you thought कि I know everything about this person, I know everything about my friend, my best friend, but age is the only thing which I am not aware of. Age मुझे उसका नहीं पता. So how is it possible? So today I will go and ask my friend about the age. मैं उससे आज जाके उसके age के बारे में पूछूंगा ना. Now, if you are not aware, what question word are you gonna use? How you are gonna ask the question? कैसे आप उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछोगे अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको कौन सा क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज करना है एज के बारे में पूछने के लिए, राइट? अब जब पता नहीं है तो कैसे पूछेंगे एज? तो हम लोग पता कर लेते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने आपको उस दिन बताया था. whenever you have to ask a question about age, someone's age, किसी का एज पूछना है, suppose you have to ask my age, then how you going to do that, right? So what question word you'll be using there? So there what you're going to use, you will be using this question word how. But not just that, आप सिर्फ how नहीं यूज करोगे, because सिर्फ how हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं जब हमें किसी चीज के वे के बारे में पता करना होता है. But here we have to know about the age, right? So in that case, with how we are gonna use old. Okay, so these two words go together when we have to ask about someone's age. जब किसी के एज के बारे में पूछना होता है तो हम इन दोनों वर्ड्स को साथ में यूज करते हैं, how old. Okay, so how old, then the auxiliary verb will come, how old are you? This is how you will form the question and then the question mark, right? So when you put old with how के साथ अगर आप old लगाते हो, that person will understand what you are trying to ask the person. That person will understand you are asking about the age, right? अगर सिर्फ आप वहां पे how, suppose आप वहां पे old नहीं डालते हो, then the question will be how are you, आप कैसे हो, right? So completely the meaning will be changed, right? अब दोनों question का meaning ही change हो जाता है. तो please use these two words together. How और old को आप साथ में use करें जब आपको किसी के age के बारे में जानना है. Okay, how old are you? Okay, for example, what if I have to know about the age of your grandmother? मुझे अगर आपकी grandmother के age के बारे में पूछना है कि वो उनका age क्या है, so how I will form the question in the same way. Same way. So please put it here in the chat box because I am waiting for you. I have to see whether you are able to form such questions or not. So please put it here in the chat box that if I have to ask about the age of your grandmother, अगर मुझे आपकी grandmother की age के बारे में पूछना है, तो मैम कैसे पूछेंगी? What has to be the formation of the question? Please let me know here in the chat box. So here the question will be like this. How old is your, how old के बाद don't forget to put auxiliary verb. Okay, और आपका question word के बाद if you had attended my session where I had taught you framing questions, तो आपको पता होगा कि जब आप question words वाले WH वाले questions पूछते हो तो WH word के बाद आपका auxiliary verb आता है, right? This is the correct structure of a question. So after how old, you will put this auxiliary verb. How old is who? Then the subject, right? How old is your grandmother? Right? Because I have to know about the age. How old is your grandmother? Question mark. Right? So what I'm trying to tell you, whenever you have to ask age of somebody, आपको वहां पे how old साथ में use करना है. Now another example. Suppose you have a brother जो बहुत छोटा है, okay, बहुत ही छोटा है और बहुत naughty है, and I am very excited to know about his age. मुझे जानना है कि आपका जो छोटा भाई है जो बहुत cute सा है, बहुत ही प्यारा सा है, उसके age क्या है? Then the same manner I will ask you, right? How old is your brother? Right? How old I'll be using together, right? So this is the way you have to use. So the how do we form a question to ask about age? This is how we form the question. ऐसे हम question form करते हैं. I hope you learned it. So first of all, you have to put how old, then the auxiliary verb, then the subject. Okay? So this is the formation of the question जहाँ पे आपका how old पहले आएगा. Then the next question for you. Dash are you doing today? Dash are you doing today? What question word are we going to use there? What question word are we going to use there? We have learned about so many question words. Purpose behind using them. क्या क्या purposes होते हैं. So think about the question words that we can use here. जो हम यहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so if you think of the question words, I believe, I don't know about your answer, I believe it will be what? मुझे अगर ये पूछना है कि तुम आज क्या कर रहे हो, so what are you doing today? तुम आज क्या कर रहे हो? And when we were learning about this question word what के बारे में जब हमने पढ़ा था, तो what हम लोग किन किन चीजों के लिए यूज करते हैं? What हम लोग यूज करते हैं things के लिए, when we have to ask a question about things, when we have to ask questions about animals, when we have to ask questions about activities. Activities means actions. So here this question fall into this category. ये question जो है, here I am asking about the activity कि आज आप कौन सी activity कर रहे हो, right? So for that I will be using what, because here I mean to ask about the activity जो आप आज कर रहे हो. And also no, yes, this is the correct answer. Now the next one for you is this one. Dash time do you wake up? Dash time do you wake up? Now which question word is the correct question word for the given blank? अब जो blank दिया हुआ है here, first of all we need to think of it, that what is it trying to ask you? ये question जो है, ये जो लिखा हुआ है, ये पूछना क्या चाह रहा है? ये पूछना चाह रहा है distance के बारे में, ये पूछना चाह रहा है about time. It's very clear, time is written there, right? So here this question is trying to ask about the time, about the exact time when you wake up. तो तुम जब जगते हो, तुम्हारे जगने का exact time क्या है? For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock, but you are not aware when I wake up. So you will ask me the question, ma'am, what time do you wake up, right? तो यहाँ पे if you remember, just before we रिवाइज दिस क्वेश्चन वर्ड, ये हमने अभी रिवाइज किया था. व्हाट इफ यू हैव टू आस्क अबाउट एग्जैक्ट टाइम, एग्जैक्ट आवर, राइट? सो दीज टू वर्ड्स विल गो टुगेदर. ये दोनों वर्ड्स वहां पे साथ में यूज होंगे. अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट टाइम के बारे में, एग्जैक्ट टाइम और एग्जैक्ट आवर के बारे में जानना है कि आप कितने बजे उठते हो, राइट? तो वहां पे आप व्हाट के साथ टाइम यूज करोगे. ओके, then my next question for you, let me check once how many slides we have left here. Okay, we have abhi, chalo, yes, so we are done with this slide. Now the next one, Dash is going with him. Dash is going with him means this you can sense that we are talking about a person. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग किसी आदमी के बारे में we are trying to ask कि किसी के साथ कौन जा रहा है, right? So if we already have revised that question word, if we have to ask about people, तो what question word we use? अगर हमें किसी आदमी के बारे में, किसी people या फिर person के बारे में जानना होता है, people or person, then what question word we use? That question word is who, right? So who is going with him? उसके साथ कौन जा रहा है? So here we are talking about another person who is supposed to go with him, right? And since we are asking about the person, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे किसी आदमी के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, so the question word has to be who. Okay, who हम लोग हमेशा ही किसी आदमी के बारे में पूछने के लिए यूज करते हैं, और यहाँ पे हम किसी आदमी के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. We are asking about a person who is supposed to go with this person. Okay, now the next one, dash people were there at his birthday. Dash people were there at his birthday. It means what? What it is trying to ask us? It is trying to ask us that people के बारे में, counting. Okay, counting की वहां पे कितने लोग थे. Okay, dash people were there at his birthday. उसके बर्थडे पे कितने लोग थे. अगर आपको ये जानना है, if you have to know the exact number, here people के आपको exact number जानने हैं, right? Here you have to know the exact number. Then what question word are you gonna use? अगर आपको पूछने हैं कि कितने लोग वहां पे थे उसके बर्थडे पे, तो आप उस क्वेश्चन को कैसे फॉर्म करोगे? So it will be like this. If you remember, मैंने आपको बोला था कि वहां पे जब आपको किसी नाउन के क्वांटिटी के बारे में जानना होता है, सो योर एग्जैक्ट नंबर अगर आप पूछ रहे हो, इट मीन्स कि यू आर ट्राइंग टू नो अबाउट क्वांटिटी, राइट? आप यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी पूछ रहे हो किसके? पीपल के. यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द पीपल. एंड इफ यू सी, पीपल इज काउंटेबल, राइट? पीपल जो है यहाँ पे नाउन जो है वो काउंटेबल है. एंड इफ द नाउन इज काउंटेबल and you have to know about the quantity, आपको quantity जानना है noun का, और noun वहां पे countable है, it means you can count the noun, right? 1%, 2%, 3%, right? तो वहां पे आप उस question को कैसे form करोगे if the noun is countable? If the noun is countable, the question will be formed like this by using these two together. How many? How many people were there at his birthday? How many we use for countable nouns. Okay, how many हम लोग countable nouns की quantity जानने के लिए पूछते हैं. For example, if I have to know about the exact number of apples, so how am I gonna ask the question? It will be like how many apples were there, right? How many? So whenever you're asking questions, whenever you have to know about the quantity of countable nouns, जब आपको countable nouns के quantity के बारे में जानना है, तो उसके क्वेश्चन आप ऐसे फॉर्म करोगे, हाउ मेनी, दीज टू वर्ड्स विल गो टुगेदर. हाउ मेनी आपको साथ में यूज करने हैं. हाउ मेनी पीपल वर देयर एट हिज बर्थडे. व्हाट इफ द नाउन इज अनकाउंटेबल? अगर नाउन जो है अनकाउंटेबल, ओके, so suppose if I'm talking about, if I have to ask about the quantity of milk, मुझे जानना है मिल्क की क्वांटिटी. मिल्क इज नॉट काउंटेबल, राइट? मिल्क जो है वो अनकाउंटेबल है, दैट यू कैन नॉट काउंट. देन हाउ विल फॉर्म द क्वेश्चन? फॉर क्वेश्चन हम कैसे फॉर्म करेंगे? अगर मुझे मिल्क की क्वांटिटी के बारे में जानना है, मिल्क इज अ नाउन which is uncountable, then how you're going to count it, right? You would not be able to count. So there, the question word that we use for uncountable noun, if I have to ask about the quantity of uncountable noun, the question will be like this: how much, how much. So there, ये जो है, ये दोनों words साथ में use होंगे. How much. And if the noun is countable, it will be how many. How many? Why? Because the noun is countable. You can count these many: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here you will ask question by using these two words together when the noun is uncountable. जब noun uncountable है, आप count नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आप वहां पे how much को साथ में use करेंगे. How much? How much water? How much milk? Right? Because you cannot count them. आप उसे count नहीं कर सकते हैं. 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk. So that is the way we will form the question to ask about the quantity of noun. किसी चीज की quantity के बारे में जानना है तो उसके दो तरीके हैं पूछने के: how many use करके, how much use करके. Noun countable है तो how many use करेंगे, noun uncountable है तो how much use करेंगे. So I hope it is clear to you and I hope you don't do mistake there. Now the next question for us, do we have any more? Yes, we have question here and this is going to be the last question for us. Dash did the necklace cost? Dash did the necklace cost? आप यहाँ पे when you have to ask about the price of something, cost of something, किसी चीज की प्राइस जाननी है. अब प्राइस किसी चीज के जानने के लिए, किसी चीज के कॉस्ट को जानने के लिए, नेकलेस के कॉस्ट या ड्रेस का कॉस्ट या फिर मिल्क का कॉस्ट या फिर ऑयल का कॉस्ट, वट एवर कॉस्ट यू आर आस्किंग, किसी भी चीज के कॉस्ट के बारे में पूछ रहे हो आप, प्राइस के बारे में जो आपको देने हैं, यू हैव टू पे, राइट? सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू अ रेस्टोरेंट, आप रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हैं, आपने खाना खाया, खाना खाने के बाद इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू डू द पेमेंट, राइट? आपको पेमेंट करने हैं वहां पे. So now there you are supposed to ask question. आपको question पूछना पड़ेगा वहां पे उनसे, right? कि आपने जो खाया है उसे कितने कॉस्ट है. So what is the way? What is the correct way in what you are supposed to ask the question? And what question word are we going to use there? वहां पे कौन सा question word use करेंगे? So price के sense में whenever we have to ask about price, जिसे हम cost भी बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो वहां पे if you remember I had taught you, it will be how much. How much? How much? It will be how much. तो how much आप हमेशा जब भी आपको किसी चीज की कॉस्ट के बारे में पूछना है, कॉस्ट और प्राइस, there you'll be using how much. वहां पे आप how much use करोगे. तो how much आपका money के सेंस में यूज होता है, because money जो है, money is not countable. As I told you, आपको जब uncountable चीजों के बारे में पूछने हैं, उसकी क्वांटिटी के बारे में पूछनी है, अनकाउंटेबल चीजों की क्वांटिटी के बारे में, so here cost is not countable, price is not countable. Let me correct the spelling here. Just now I noticed, बोलते बोलते मैम जो है कुछ भी लिख देती हैं. So it will be PRICE. ओके, सो इट विल बी, जब आपको किसी चीज की कॉस्ट और प्राइस के बारे में पूछना है तो आप इन दोनों को साथ में यूज करेंगे, हाउ मच. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी नेकलेस की कॉस्ट के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है, तो ये दोनों आपके साथ में आ जाएंगे. ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी, नाउ आई बिलीव देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स दैट आई डिडंट आस्क यू अबाउट, उनके पर्पस. और जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल whose, अगर हमें, do we have any more question left? Let me check once, because I remember we had, yes, we have two more questions. Yes, this is the next question. Dash dress is that? So here if you see, I've specified, अगर आपको किसी चीज की possession means ownership के बारे में पूछनी है, ownership, okay, that suppose I am the owner of this pen, right? ये इसकी owner कौन है? मैं हूँ, right? तो वहां पे ownership के sense में I had told you about one question word जो हम ownership के sense में कि किसके हैं ये, किसके हैं ये, उसके लिए वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन वर्ड। आप किसी का कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है। अब किसका है वो अगर आपको जानना है कि ये किसके हैं, वो किसके हैं, वो किसका है, तो वहां पे वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन वर्ड। इफ यू गेस, इफ यू रिमेंबर, सो दैट क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज whose। वो आपके हो गए whose मीन्स किसका, राइट? तो वहां पे आप पूछ रहे हो ओनरशिप के बारे में कि इसको कौन ओन कर रहा है। अगर आप पूछ रहे हो whose pen is this, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू नो अबाउट द ओनर ऑफ द पेन, राइट? तो आप ओनरशिप के सेंस में वी ऑलवेज यूज whose क्वेश्चन वर्ड, जहां पे आपको पूछना होता है कि किसके हैं। उसे अगर हम हिंदी में बोले तो whose मतलब किसका, किसके। ओके, सो whose ड्रेस इज दैट, वो ड्रेस जो है वो किसके हैं। Now the next one, this is the last question for you. Frequency. I had told you about the question word when which we use to ask about the frequency of something. Okay, जो frequency जानने के लिए हम पूछते हैं. So dash, do you go there? Okay, dash, do you go there? Now let me give you one hint. Here we use two words together. Whenever you have to ask about frequency, वहाँ पे भी हम दो words साथ में use करते हैं. Okay, for example, I teach you. I teach you, right? I do this action. If you have to know about the frequency, आपको अगर मेरे teaching की frequency के बारे में जानना है, that how many times I teach, how many times I do this action, that is what we call frequency. Okay, so there what question word are we gonna use? वहां पे हम कौन से question word use करेंगे? So there will be using how often. How often do you go there? Okay, how often you go there, these two words will go together. ये दोनों words साथ में use होंगे. How often, whenever you have to ask about the frequency of some action, किसी action की frequency के बारे में जानने हैं तो आप ये दोनों words को साथ में use करोगे. How often you do that, how often you go there. If you go to temple, आप temple जाते हो तो how often you go, right? You usually go, you regularly go, you occasionally go, right? So frequency के बारे में question जानने के लिए you have to use how and often together. How often do you go there? How often you eat apple? Okay. Now the session is about to over. So before that, I have to ask you if you have any query based on this topic, question words पे. So we are done with question words. हमने question words कर लिए हैं. If you have any query, please put the query here in the chat box. If you don't have, great. Now let's revise the steps that we follow to have Unacademy subscription. Why? Because Unacademy is giving you lots of benefits. बहुत सारे benefits आपको दे रही है Unacademy at the same platform. तो क्यों ना आप लोग सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो, राइट? एंड अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन, मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ कि कौन कौन से टाइप ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. यू हैव टू डिसाइड, राइट? So for that, what are the steps you're going to take? First of all, you need to check whether you have Unacademy learning app in your phone or not. If you don't have, please go to the Play Store from where you have to install Unacademy learning app. आपको वहां से install कर लेने हैं Unacademy के learning app. Once the app is installed in your phone, then you have to go to manage goals. आपको जाने हैं manage goals में, from where you have to pick your category. Suppose your category is CBSE class 6, you will pick CBSE class 6 from there. Then you have to pick what kind of subscription you want. Suppose you want plus subscription, you will pick plus from here. Then you have to click over here get subscription पे. आपको यहाँ पे click कर देने हैं get subscription पे. After that, it will ask you whatever subscription you are taking for how many months you are taking it. Suppose you want to take it for 24 months, you will pick 24 months from here. Then while making the payment karte time, if you apply this code which is Smriti10, you get 10% discount on that. आपको 10% के पूरे discount मिल जाते हैं अगर आप ये code apply करते हैं तो. Now it's about my channel. So here on YouTube, I have started my channel which is for the category 6 to 8 where I'm teaching English grammar, literature, vocabulary और बहुत सारे quizzes भी I'm going to conduct. So what you have to do, please make people aware of this channel, bring them to the channel, make them subscribe to the channel, make them attend my sessions. If they are going to like my sessions, they will hit the like button and share with everybody. Now here I have to say thank you so much for participating in this session, for enjoying the session. I hope you learned the topic well. If you have any query, please feel free to put the query here in the chat box. I will receive your query and definitely will do my best to resolve them. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's meet again because we have upcoming sessions. Till then, bye bye everyone. Take care of yourself.